कोचिंग सेंटर्स को शो कॉज नोटिस दे दिया गया है। हमें अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फिर से दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री बनाना है।
2013 was the last time that Delhi had a woman chief minister. Politics in the national capital is a harsh, unforgiving space. Since Delhi's Legislative Assembly was restored in 1991, there have been only two women chief minister, Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit. Now facing scam charges and a hostile political situation, Arvind Kejriwal has appointed Atishi as his successor. Let's take a look at Atishi's journey to becoming the chief minister of Delhi. The 43-year-old Atishi grew up in Delhi in a family of academicians. Both her parents, Sripta Wahi and Vijay Singh, are professors at Delhi University. After schooling from Springdales, Atishi graduated from the St. Stephen's College in 2001. She won 2 scholarships to study abroad. First for a master's in history from Oxford University on a Chevening scholarship in 2003. Later, she attended Magdalen College as a Rhodes Scholar. Back in India, she married educationist and researcher Praveen Singh. Both have been involved in social work, but she is moved on into politics and today is Delhi's 3rd woman chief minister.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने अपना इस्तीफा दिया है। ये आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए, हमारे पूरे विधायक दल के लिए, दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए एक दुख का क्षण है। पूरी दिल्ली में लोग अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के इस्तीफे से दुखी हैं, लेकिन साथ ही दिल्ली के लोग इस बात का प्रण ले रहे हैं कि आने वाले चुनाव में वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फिर से मुख्यमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं। लेकिन जब तक चुनाव नहीं होता, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने भरोसा कर मुझ पे ये जिम्मेदारी दी है।
She may seem vulnerable but has shown she is made of sterner stuff. Her association with the Aam Aadmi Party began after she met Prashant Bhushan during her social work days in Bhopal. She formally joined the party in 2013. In her early days, she was perceived as a member of the Prashant Bhushan Yogendra Yadav camp. Soon after the Aam Aadmi Party won a huge victory in 2015, the differences within surfaced, leading to the expulsion of the two who were among the party's founding members. Though still a political novice, Atishi wasted no time in openly backing Arvind Kejriwal. As an advisor to the then Education Minister Manish Sisodia, she played a key role in revamping government schools. Kejriwal's trust in her abilities grew and in 2019 she was given the Lok Sabha ticket from East Delhi where she lost to BJP's Gautam Gambhir. But the bitterness of the campaign reduced her to tears.
गौतम गंभीर जी की टीम ने ये पर्चा बांटा है जो कहता है आतिशी मालीना नो योर कैंडिडेट. Atishi Malina is contesting from our East Delhi parliamentary constituency as Aam Aadmi Party candidate. What sort of policies she can make when she has worked only as a primary school teacher? The reality is that she is working as a Gunda element for and on behalf of Kejriwal and Sisodia.
The very next year, she bounced back, winning the 2020 assembly elections from Delhi's Kalkaji seat. Since then, her stars has been rising, and from television debates to meeting the press, she became her party, or some would say Arvind Kejriwal's voice. When Manish Sisodia went to jail in February 2023, Kejriwal called on Atishi to shoulder bigger responsibilities. She was made a minister and went to manage several portfolios including education, PWD, water, revenue and law. During the Delhi water crisis, she went on a hunger strike to press her demands with the centre. When the Monarch Canal breached, she was on the spot supervising repairs. When Sisodia got bail after 17 months, she broke down at an event at the Aam Aadmi Party office. Atishi's rise as the number 2 in the Aam Aadmi Party government was confirmed when Kejriwal from jail gave instructions for her to hoist the national flag on 15th August. It's another thing that the chief secretary shot down the idea. But on the day she has been appointed Kejriwal's successor, her former colleague and Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal has leveled charges that can be potentially very damaging. Maliwal has questioned the prosperity of Atishi being elevated as the chief minister of Delhi, saying her parents wanted the 2001 parliament attack convict Afzal Guru to be pardoned, which can be very emotive issue.
आज दिल्ली के लिए एक बहुत दुखद दिन है. आज दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री एक ऐसी महिला आतिशी मार्लेना जी बनने जा रही हैं, जिनके अपने परिवार ने आतंकवादी अफजल गुरु को फांसी की सजा से बचाने के लिए एक लंबी लड़ाई लड़ी। आतिशी मार्लेना जी मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगी, लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक डमी सीएम, एक कठपुतली मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगी और ये मुद्दा सीधे सीधे दिल्ली और देश की सुरक्षा से जुड़ा हुआ है।
That is the partial telling of the story. Atishi's parents did sign the petition seeking mercy for Afzal Guru, but they were among the several activists and professors who had signed that mercy petition in 2013. Since then, a lot has changed in Delhi, and among them is the fact that the city is getting a new chief minister after 10 years. One of Atishi's main challenges is to steady the ship as Aam Aadmi Party faces an assembly election in early 2025. But what she may find hard to shake off is the opposition charge of being a dummy for Kejriwal. That was Atishi's journey to becoming Delhi's chief minister, and we will keep track on how she tackles challenges ahead. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.